Okay, welcome to a walking tour at Bang Niang Market. This is another market that I've been to. I've already videoed one market, which is down there, around about, what, 4 or 5 minutes walk away. This is another market, a little bit bigger, and I'll do you a quick walk around. As you can see, it's open Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Okay, I'll walk you through. Start off here. Main road is here, just to give you a perspective. Straight into a nice little bar here. Food's great at this place here. Absolutely love it. I do apologise if I keep putting my fingers in the way, by the way. I keep balancing my phone and sticking my big fingers in front of the camera. Loads and loads and loads of food here. We've got rolling ice cream. Sorry? We got banana pancakes. Mango sticky rice. More knick-knack shops that you can check a stick at, and I'll just walk you through and give you an idea. So if you are coming, this will be a quick tour, just showing you what you can expect. Rotis, pancakes, hello, Nutella, all the goodies, bananas. You can sit down and have a quick beer, loads of options, or a cocktail, or a soft drink, or whatever you're having. Hello. Okay, so as you enter the market, there's loads of food options on this side, and on this side it's full of clothes options and stuff. So I'll do you a quick walk through. Salted fish, chicken on the barbecue, icy cold drinks, more random fish stuff, barbecue, and you'll sit down at one of these tables, grab yourself a menu, grab yourself a drink, and sit down and chill and eat. Hello. So I'll walk through quite quickly. Hello. Evening. Everyone here is super happy. You've got hats and hats and hats and hats and flip-flops and bags. Okay, so it's quite quiet here. We are in June. If you do like this kind of walk around content, please do like and subscribe. It really, really does help the channel. It allows other people to see it who have got similar interests. Oh, football shirt. Now, this might be interesting because we have the Euros happening in about a week. So this place might be quite busy. Who knows? Okay. So we've got loads of clothes here. I'll stop here because it's quite quiet down this side. I'll walk you back. You're right on the edge of the market here. Lots of wood crafts, dream catchers. In high season, you cannot move here. It is absolutely jam-packed, full of people walking everywhere. You're lucky to get a table in most of these places. June is low season, so you're kind of like in a, some people call it the shoulder of the changing seasons. Weather can be quite unpredictable. Into my third weekish now. Now, I'm just going to check. So, the other day I bought a wallet for 100 baht. And I'm just going to see how much a similar wallet would be here. Just out of curiosity. Similar style. How much is this sale of a wallet? Okay, 450. Okay, thank you very much. I'll come back and have a look. Thank you. I'll put that there. Is that okay? Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So I bought a wallet just like that the other day for 100 baht around the corner at the other market. The opening bar ring is 450 here, so that kind of gives you an idea of this market is at a premium. It's a tourist premium maybe. The other market is a very, very, very local market. They were selling guinea pigs and pigs and bugs and all sorts of stuff. This is more what I'd call a typical touristy market. Everything's here, but they expect you to pay a lot more for the stuff. More football shirts. I'll walk you to the bottom. I'll show you a restaurant that I do really like, which I've been to a few times for food. Yeah, big fans, so it's super cool. And they have a big selection of food. Oh, hello! Oh, I love this kind of stuff. And this is the menu here. From 50 baht. All the way down to 40 baht. Okay, thank you very much. Very addictive, that kind of stuff. Once you start eating one, you want about 3 of them. Singing bowls. Wooden stuff, lights.
Yeah, I think it's a long one.
Clothes. Don't worry, I won't stop at every single one. I'll just whiz through. We've got plenty of genuine fakes here. But only genuine fakes. There we go. I do like this t-shirt. I might treat myself to one. Belts, fans, top-notch genuine Bose speakers. There we go. These were all the rage a few years ago. I'm sure these are genuine Apple products. Okay. Oh, these are great. Singing bowls. They do sound fantastic. They're not cheap, but they are good. Key rings. More stuff. And you can see the stalls on the other side as well. There's another avenue of stuff. I'm not going to do the whole tour of the market because it just gets repetitive. But if you do want to spend a couple of hours here, get yourself some food, a couple of drinks. This is a great place to come. Like I say now, it is super quiet. There's next to nobody here. Some of the stalls aren't even open. You've got cocktails going on. Give you an idea, you can freeze that if you'd like to get an idea of what's on offer. Good? Oh, good. T-shirts. And this place here, the Down the Bar and Restaurant, serves absolutely amazing food and icy cold drinks. I would definitely recommend coming here if you're walking around the market and just wanting a quick bite to eat rather than buying food off the stalls. The market goes all the way up here. As you can see, it goes up and up and up and up and up. And obviously some of the stuff is shot on this side. We've got more bars down at the bottom of the market, closer towards the beach side. Now, I've never eaten here, but green pepper, I've been told this is, if you want a steak in Thailand, in this area, this is the place to come. I can't vouch for it, I've never eaten here. My understanding is with steaks in Thailand, they are not the best, unless they're super slow roasted kind of stuff. But that's the place to go apparently. Okay. I'll stop here. Okay, down this road here, or that road should I say, but that will lead you to the beach. This will lead you to the Waters Hotel. Just down here my friend has a bar called Juice by Mars, and if you want an excellent juice drink, a Sunday lunch, he's the guy to go to. So that's Juice by Mars. I'll actually make a link in the description there. And as I just mentioned a moment ago, we are into Euro 2024. It's not started yet, but it will start in about a week. And the Moose Pub, where I watch United v City for the FA Cup final, where United absolutely obliterated City and won. This place is fantastic. We have served Guinness, and it's a typical American sports bar. It's icy cold air conditioning. Hello! The staff here are super nice. Hello! There's loads of TVs everywhere. And the football starts soon, yeah? The football. Euros. Yeah. We're showing the Euros here. So this is one of my favourite places to watch sports. I'll just take you outside. I'll conclude the video in a few minutes. There's a road from here that runs all the way to the beach, where the taxi's going now. It takes about 5 minutes maybe to walk all the way down there. This road leads all the way back to the main road, so if you don't want to walk through the main market, you can just dip out to the side. And I think as a point of reference in this area, if you Google Spunky Monkey, which is this bar here, and if you want to get a taxi anywhere, just say Spunky Monkey and they will take you to this bar here. It's open during the day. They've got loads of chill out little places where you can sit down, chill out, have a bite to eat, drinks. More of a daytime place at the moment. So yeah, I'll conclude the video here because there's nothing really else to show you. I'm just going to show you the same thing over and over again. Like I say, if you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. And I will leave you and thank you for watching tonight's walking video at Bang Niang Market in Thailand, in Khao Lak.